You take the floor and take the microphone on mine. Okay, the floor.
Okay, good afternoon. Sa mga relatives, friends, okay, thank you for coming. So the engagement party that we are doing right now is informing my relatives and friends that I'm sharing the rest of my life to the Lord. Okay? That's my message to everybody. That I love you. Okay? The only one. The Lord. Okay? Thank you.
First of all, we want to say thank you sa mga nagpunta dito kasi baka hindi na kami makapag-thank you later. Kasi after this, you can have some fun and some dance your cabinet kasi namin yung mga seats. Anyway, thank you so much and I'm so happy na you didn't break your promise. And of course, I love you. And I want to spend my rest of my life to you, of course, and with our kids, and yes, actually we were sharing this day kasi we're having a engagement bond, di ba? May ganon. Yes. Saan ba yan?
First, I'm gonna give the engagement ring, showing the time of day. And the other one is engagement band. Okay? It's gonna be two.
To be followed is the wedding ring.
Yes. Okay?
Okay. I have also an engagement bond for you. Actually, sa wedding na to, but we want to express ourselves na para kahit sino makakita, engaged na siya. Diba? Wala na hubara to. So, kaya pinili ko medyo masikip para mahirapan siya hubarin. Okay, so yun na, kasi wala kami masabi. We're in bloom now eh. So, thank you sa lahat ng nagpunta. So, yeah.
Yeah, then after this we have our friends who's doing the international standard or whatever we have. It's international dance ballroom, right, Maury?
Okay.
Okay, again, thank you sa mga pumunta.